Verbeel jouself, 'n stad met genoeg Afrikaner inwoners om ekonomiese geleenthede te ontsluit. 'n Stad met hoë gehalte geriewe vir internasionale sportgeleenthede.
Maar terselfdertyd 'n stad waar ons kinders veilig in die strate kan speel.
Must go and defend that Orania must be a land of the Afrikaners. We will not do that. We will rather die without occupying positions in government than to allow white supremacists and racists.
The fact they don't allow black people there. What I found, the first thing I found was the town to be clean, very clean. I mean, I've been to towns. I mean, the town is litter-free, literally.
'n Stad met wêreldgehalte mediese sorg en innoverende slim tegnologie.
'n Stad met 'n meer lewende kultuur en 'n gemeenskapsgevoel waar ons waarlik tuis kan voel.
Northern Cape, it's our land. Northern Cape belongs to us. No one will sell the Northern Cape, not to the poor, not to the colonizers. Northern Cape will be returned in the hands of Africans.
We are constantly confronted with racialist perspective on our existence and on South Africa as such.
That's why our Leko Freedom Front Plus, our Otaba Orania, Yabayama Afrikaner alone, Akasi Bonen Teu. It will never happen. Orania belongs to us.
Now, the EFF in the Northern Cape is pushing ahead with a planned march to the provincial premier's offices later this month to express its delusionment with the existence of the Orania enclave.
We are going to build RDP houses in Orania and send our people to go and stay in Orania.
But as a community, we do not need or seek permission to exist. And it's not for the EFF or any other government to tell this community it may not exist or they don't like our existence. That's just not how it works.
People who've got problems with Orania, all of us do, including myself.
I'm not going to allow it. It comes to an end in this generation. We are going to collapse this thing. They like it, they don't like it.
Okay, so you're saying that you don't believe that Orania should be discontinued?
There's no question about that. If anybody thinks they can just come and discontinue Orania or take away its existence, there will be a pushback. There's no question about that.
President Brandt het gesê, alles sal regkom. Elkeen moet net sy deel doen. President Paul Creer het gesê, neem uit die verlede wat goed en skoon is en bou jou ideale daarop vir 'n beter toekoms.